So according to Mark Gurman, the next AirPods Pro may have cameras on them. So currently Apple is reportedly working on these cameras in the AirPods Pro. So it's expected to be finished around 2027, which is in like around 2 years. And I think by then we'll be expecting the AirPods Pro 4 by then. So hopefully we get the AirPods Pro 3 sometime this year in 2025. I did a video talking more about the features to expect in the AirPods Pro 3. So feel free to check that out on this channel also. So the cameras that are going to be in the AirPods will be paired with AI, which stands for Apple Intelligence, not artificial intelligence. So with the use of AI, you'll be able to ask Siri to describe your environment or give you information about what is around you. So it'll be kind of more like the Meta glasses that are out now that are equipped with a lot of AI features. So the cameras in the AirPods Pro will also be used to improve spatial audio. And at first I was kind of wondering how camera is going to help you with spatial audio. Like you have camera and then you have audio. I just didn't see how they relate. But after reading an article on 95 Mac, I actually understand more and how this will actually work. So basically, when you pair the AirPods Pro to your Apple Vision Pro, and let's say you're watching a movie or something and you turn your head away from the screen, the sound in that direction can be emphasized to enhance spatial audio experience. This sounds good and all, but I can bet that adding these cameras in the AirPods Pro will take a toll on the battery. So hopefully by 2027, Apple will figure out a way how to make this efficient as possible so it doesn't impact the battery life as much. So another thing that's kind of concerning is that this won't be attractive to people with long hair, because if you have long hair or if you wear like a hat or something over your earpods, it's going to cover the camera, so it won't be useful for you, or you won't be able to use that functionality because your ear or your hat will be blocking the vision of the cameras. So that's just one thing that I think Apple should keep in mind whenever they put the cameras on the AirPods Pro in the future, if they actually do that. And personally, I think that Apple should just make a smart glasses instead of putting cameras in the AirPods, because I think that would just make more sense in real life, because with the smart glasses it can be more useful to you, and it could be like a lot of people already wear like prescription glasses, so it would be easy to put your prescription in a smart glasses more than going out of your way and putting in AirPods. I just think that it would be more practical and more useful in a real life experience. But then again, on the other hand, Beats, which is owned by Apple, recently came out with the Power Beats Pro 2, which have a heart rate monitor built inside the earbuds themselves. So who could have told in 2025 we will have earbuds with heart rate monitor inside them? But let me know what you think about down below in the comment section about this new feature that Apple is working on currently. Also, subscribe to this channel for more content on earpods. And if you're wondering what wallpaper I have on my background right here on my computer, it will be linked down below in the comment section and also in the description, because this is my first wallpaper pack and it's actually free. All you need to do is just click on the link and download it. I mean, if you want, you could contribute like $1 or $5. It would go towards making this channel much better. So feel free to check out this wallpaper pack if it's something that you're into. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.